Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today I'm going to be looking at the Ferrari Collection Magazine subscription. This is Ferrari Magazine number 2. This is the Ferrari Enzo. Now, I do have a 143 scale model that comes with this particular magazine. But we'll have a quick look at the magazine and then have a look at the vehicle. So in this issue, single-seaters, pages 3 to 8. Production models, pages 9 to 13. Competition models, 14 to 18. And then there's a poster, the Ferrari Enzo F1 Technology for the Road. I haven't taken any of the posters out. I've decided to leave them all in with my magazines. So we'll have a quick look through these single-seaters F1 312 from 1969. I'm not going to actually dwell on all of these. If you wish to read them, you will need to pause. I just want to show what you get in the magazine. Ongoing technical modifications. So it has a 60-degree V12. Oh man, I miss the days of the V12 sounds racing around Formula 1 and the likes. 4 seasons in the pursuit of the F1 championships. I think an F1 312, I do have one of these in the collection. Maybe more than one. I think they actually give you some of these older Formula 1 cars. New engine, the Ford Cosworth. So I'm guessing that was their competition. Yep, right up about that. Enzo, 2002. This car had both honour and burden and being named after the creator of Ferrari Marquis. After the F40 and F50, it symbolised the highest technological expression to come out of Maranello, and it became the ultimate high-performance model. One of my wife's favourite cars, especially in games such as Test Drive Unlimited or even in the Forza games, and then she does have or did buy a 118 scale of these, which now resides in my man cave with the other Ferraris. I will show it off eventually. The Great Ferraris, Enzo. Before working on the Enzo, Michael Schumacher had already been consulted on another road-going Ferrari, the 1996 550 Maranello. Here we go. Here's our poster that comes with this. Could potentially take that out and put it somewhere. I don't think I will. I actually don't have enough wall space anymore. Covered in die-cast cars and planes. Looks a lot more sleek there. May just be the angle. Alright. Does have a write-up about it. I'm not going to go into all of that, but you can have a look at there. So it's a rear-mounted longitudinal 65-degree V12, a 6-litre or 5.998 cc with a 660 brake horsepower. It's very nice. Road car for the track. The 1993 Ferrari initiated the 348 Challenge Trophy, single-class championship aimed at owners who were keen to race their own cars. There was race series for amateur drivers that soon began to attract semi-professionals in search of fame at a low cost. I think I've got some of those race cars too. I think pretty much all the stuff that comes through these magazines with the other write-ups and cars, they do actually supply one eventually, I believe. Sense of fair play. Nice. Magazine number 3 is the Ferrari F40. Now, I do have more than one of these. I somehow picked up second-hand, unopened, or maybe it was new, a overseas version. Or maybe that was the competition. I'll have to have a look at that. But I've got multiple F40s, one of my favourite cars. And I will show it off in the next magazine. So that's that for the magazine. Let's have a quick look at the car on camera. Alright, we are zoomed in. Let's actually bring that back out. Beautiful car, this. Amazing modelling inside. Got different parts in there for the engine. I can see the extractors down the bottom. Exhaust pipe covers. Kind of like a prancing horse on the engine cover there. Red seats inside, black dash. We do have silver center console and the likes. These are really well modeled. Silver mirrors, not overly reflected. I think that's just painted. Alright, let's have a look at the back of this. Being in black, it's hard to show the detail. We've got our Ferrari's prancing horse there and the emblem on the front. Very nice. The 5-spoke, we do have disc brakes in there. It's going to be hard to show, but they're very black disc brakes. They don't seem to show up like a silver one on others. Underneath just says Ferrari Enzo. Made in China 143 with a little bit of aero. Actually a lot more aero than some of the other cars. Well done. Alright, I will put that on the display table and show you what it looks like in closer detail. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all the rest. Keep an eye out for the F40 in the next video. Cheers. Bye.